Ito po ang DTF machine dito sa Robinson Novaliches. At araw-araw naman itong nagagamit. May 49 meters kaming na-print dito. Ito ang printer head, capping, head clean, nozzle check, ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Race ink tank na nalinis na nga i-provided. Ground wire, ABR. Ito ang stock ng used ink, unused ink, film, production log, consumption, weekly consumption, powder, cleaning solution, magenta, yellow, cyan, black, at daily maintenance. Salamat po.